हाँ, मेरे को भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा किसी का चेहरा। भाई पहले फॉग बंद हो लेती है। Good evening, namaskar. I have to say Sat Sri Akal today, rightly so, because of Sidhu ji, and what a lovely to be back in Mumbai. Still, I used to go to Patiala and stayed at his house. His father was a very, very keen supporter of game of cricket and otherwise also. I eat a lot of food of Sidhu's house, so I can't say anything bad. And Sidhu said, "Paji, aaj mere ko nahi kuch kehna." Maine kaha, "Today is your day. I won't say anything." Knowing him, I think it was fabulous to see a Sidhu playing cricket. A different kind of a cricketer who was very shy. He, in his backyard, his father put a net there. And wo kehte the कि go and play. And staying at Sidhu's house, they ask us most of the time to be bowl to Navjot, Shelly. And I said, यार मैं बच्चे को क्या बॉल करूँगा? और क्योंकि खाना उसके घर का खा रहे थे तो थोड़ा बहुत तो हेल्प करनी थी. So I used to bowl to him little bit slow on the cement they had there, and I used to bowl to him, and he was decent. But I'll tell you one more secret about his life. He was a bowler, fast bowler also. Being so lazy, he decided not to bowl, only to bat. And I want to show you something about his cricket ability. Please see the AV about his playing cricket. He can ever talk. I wasn't sure he can play cricket. Honestly, because he played his cricket under so much shelter. I never ever expected, he can go out and play. The comfort what he has at his house, and being a young cricketer, it's very tough. It's not easy to come out and play cricket. You have to travel odd hours, you have to stay in one of the roughest places. It's not, once you play for the country, then it's a totally different thing. But I always felt it's very, very, prove me wrong. I never thought. Then the second step he taken, I realized that he's going for a commentator. I said, Sidhu, for 10 years in the dressing room, kabhi bhi kuch puch liya, Sidhu kya karna hai? Kuch bhi kar lu paji. Anything, batting or bowling. I never heard more than 2 words in the dressing room, batting or bowling. He never ever opened his mouth, and suddenly I realized that he is joined the commentator box. Went and started talking as a commentator box. I realized, I don't know about other people, I thought Shakespeare born in Patiala, not in England. He is truly one of our Shakespeare. He put everybody on shame when he come out to talk. His presence of mind, his English, his Hindi, his Punjabi was par excellence. And I got defeated second time when he come to the commentator box and done so wonderfully well and made an impact to the entire world. How good this man can talk. I'll give you the glimpse, little bit, what he can talk. जब अपने घर के लोग होते हैं तो रियलाइज नहीं करता कि कितनी एबिलिटी है. कहना बहुत आसान है. पिछले कुछ 4-5 सालों से मेरी बहुत लोगों से लड़ाई हुई कि सिद्धू जी बहुत पढ़ते हैं और वो किताब रखते हैं. मैंने कहा भाई मैं आपको 10 किताबें दे देता हूँ, फिर भी सिद्धू जी की तरह बोल के दिखा दूँ. कहना बड़ा आसान है, क्रिटिसाइज करना बहुत ईजी है. I think anybody can criticize anybody, but I like to see the positive side of a person. I seen in this man, he has the ability, he has the courage, and he have done it time and time again. He done it in cricket, he done as commentator. First time when he fought with Jeffrey Bygott. Jeffrey Bygott didn't know what to do. I thought he was an Englishman, and we come to know the Sardar is a bigger Englishman than the Englishman. He put everybody on shame, and that ability what he has, I worked with him for last 2-3 years. I never ever seen anybody. There are two types of people, either they love him or they don't like him. I think I love him because his sense of humor, his ability, and his commitment to the work. When you say commitment to the work, I think that he's a par excellence. Then he joined the politics. Well, the day he joined the politics, I said, if he can talk so well, and whatever I've known in the last 30, 40 years, he will not fail me on this side. So I was very proud when he joined politics and come out with the flying colors. A little bit glimpse we want to show you what he did. The only cricketer who come out with so much success from Amritsar, not once, twice, almost dominating Amritsar for the last 15 years. What all he did, you can see little bit. आइए मोहतरमा आपकी जगह है, हम जाके वहाँ बैठते हैं अभी.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kapil Dev. Ladies and gentlemen, let's really have a big round of applause. Thank you.
सिद्धू जी की बहुत सारी बातें और भी सुननी है, बहुत कलेक्शन हो गई है, लेकिन और भी सुनना है.
Thank you so much for taking us through those nostalgic moments. Let's give it up loud.
Good evening. I have to introduce Navjot Sidhu's entertainment avatar. Do I need to do that? You all know him. He's a great entertainer. He entertained us while playing cricket. He entertains us as a commentator, as Baji said. He entertains us as a film actor. He entertains us as a judge on many reality shows on television. Ladies and gentlemen, the master entertainment, Navjot Singh Sidhu.
And we've managed to get Mr. Sanjay Santani.
Good evening. Hi. First of all, it's a great pleasure and very excited about talking to one of you. A little nervous. But I have known Navjot since 86. I have known Navjot since 1986, and he was the most introverted person I have met. Very difficult to get him to talk. And like Kapil Paji said, he can't stop talking now. And that is the miracle that is Navjot Singh Sidhu. And I have been touched by one of his real motivational talks and converted me into a believer. I have never been his fan. As a matter of fact, very critical of his commentating, his talks. And this one talk just motivated me and made me a believer. So I believe that this is one aspect I don't know how many of you people really know about, but he can really motivate people into believing how things can be achieved by just being a believer. So, ladies and gentlemen, sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable as I rise in response to this very cordial, warm welcome from one of my working partners, Sony. जैसे नर्मदा माई में बहता बहता कोई तिनका किसी शिवलिंग के ऊपर टिक जाए तो क्या महसूस करेगा, वैसा आज मैं कपिल पाजी और बच्चन साहब की संगत में महसूस कर रहा हूं। आदमी खाना खाने से तृप्त नहीं होता, आदर, मान और सम्मान से होता है। Because this is the perfect partnership for me. The goal is far more alluring in the mental horizon. It's much bigger, but it's the means that take you to the goal which are the most important things. साध्य की प्राप्ति परिणाम मात्र है, लेकिन उसका असली कारण साधन है, साधन. To me, this platform is about a marriage.